whatever's happened in JNU is condemnable, because anywhere where there is violence, it is institutions. And while I don't agree with a lot of things JNU does themselves, I have some serious differences of opinion with JNU. You cannot send masked goons who go and create a rampage in the university, and the police forces just turn a blind eye. I mean, what is wrong with our system today, where we can have a difference of opinion? I myself have a lot of difference of opinion with JNU. But is this the way to clamp down on students? That means you are scared of a healthy debate. You are scared of a counterpoint of view. And that is a big sign of cowardice. I believe a radical outfit called Hindu, some Raksha Dal or Sena, whatever, has taken claim that they were the ones behind this horrible attack. Let me tell that Hindu Rakshak Sena or the Dal that the threat to Hindus is not from anybody but from people like them. Who has given them the right to defend the faith of Hindus? So I condemn this violence in JNU, and I am appealing to all sections, including politicians. The biggest problem is that politicians will now hijack this issue, and this will become a CPM versus BJP, while it is much more than that. This is about democracy, this is about free speech, and everybody has a right to speak their point of view without hurting or without intruding into somebody's personal life. And I am hoping that the Government of India and Delhi Police, which comes under the Government of India, arrests these so-called vigilantes and puts them in jail and gives them a proper thrashing, so that people don't take law into their own hand.
Sir, just now it has come that the girl who was most hurt and whose the photos have become violent, Raishi Ghosh, she has been booked by the police for vandalizing in the JNU. How do you react?
Well, if the police has done so, they should produce evidence. I also believe that the police is very selective in identifying people who have indulged in violence. If the police has any evidence that she has done violence, they have every right to book her. In the same breath, I also hope that the police takes action against this so-called vigilante group, which has taken the credit for vandalizing JNU, and measures are taken to arrest them. You cannot go after soft targets and not go after convenient targets because it suits your short-term political purpose.